topic, and this is a base of 12 probability. Why you both have dropped? Rifat and Fad, please reply me on the chat box. Umair, please continue this question. Umair, you have not done the homework. Uh, please share the homework this week, okay? And take this chapter very seriously. This is not an easy chapter, okay? If you will miss any class, you will not do the homework, then I'm not sure that you will be able to. Oh, okay, Umair. But what's the reason? Please reply me in the chat box. Fahad and Rifat, do you have the idea about the conditional probability? Umair, you can do this question on your own. Please try this question. Then why you drop yesterday? Hmm? Today I need to start a new topic. Oh, okay, Rifat, okay. Okay, okay. Please check here. Conditional probability. Okay, so if it is written A by B, so this means probability of A, probability of A when B has already occurred. When B has already occurred. Okay. Umair, please, you can do this question, Umair. Okay. I'm explaining to Rifat and Fat. So if it is written, this means probability of A when B has already occurred. So what is mean by this? Suppose we throw 3 coins. So you know what is the sample space? Triple H, H, HT, HTH, THH, HTT, THT, TTH. Next is triple T. Okay, 8 outcomes. Now, if I will say that A is the event of getting at least 2 hit, at least 2 hit. Okay, and if I will say B is the event getting tail on the first coin, getting tail on the first coin. Okay, this example is not related to this question. Getting tail on the first coin. Okay, so if we will find the A, then A will be what? At least 2 head means minimum there should be 2 head. So we will select this, we will select this one, and at least 2 head we will take out this one also. So A will have triple H, HHT, HTH, THH. Okay. Now, what is B? Getting tail on the first coin. So if we will see that the first coin having the tail is this T, HH. Next is this THT. Next is TTH. Next is triple T. Okay. Now find out the probability of A. Okay. What's the probability of A? Total outcomes in the sample space is 8. And here in A, you have 4 outcomes. So it is 4 by 8. If you will see this one, PB, then it is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. And total outcomes are 8. So 4 by 8. Is it clear up to here, Fahad and Rifat? Is it clear? Okay, Fahad, good. Rifat, clear up to this point? Okay, great, great. Now, if I will say to you if I will say to you that the first coin is always a tail. Okay. If I will tell you that B has already occurred, if I will tell you this has already occurred. Okay, you're going to toss a coin, but if I will say to you that the first coin will always show a tail, then what will happen? This will never occur. If I will tell you that the first coin will always show a tail, so that means this can't be occur. This one, and then this one. All these events can't occur. Okay, why? Because I'm saying that first coin is always a tail, or I can say in this way that B has already occurred. What is B? B is getting tail on the first coin. If we will say that has already occurred, already occurred, then that means on the we will remove all the events where we do not have the tail on the first coin. So we will remove this. Okay. Now in our sample space, how many events, how many outcomes are there? In our sample space, we have only 4 outcomes. This one, this, and this. Okay. So if I will say to you that what is the probability of A, and I will give you that B has already occurred. So this means what? B has already occurred means first coin have a tail. So you will remove these outcomes because they do not have the tail in the first coin. Now you have these four events. From this you have to select, you have to find probability of getting at least 2 hits. So check here, at least 2 hits means one, only one. Okay. So this is one, and total outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 1 by 4. This is clear, Fahad and Rifat. Is it clear up to here? Okay, Fahad, is it clear? Okay. Now we will drive a formula. Here we have done this directly. Now we will drive a formula. Now check here. What is this for? Check these elements. These are the same element which are already present in event B. Check here. THH, THT, TTH, TT. Okay. So that means what is this for? This is number of elements which is present in B. This is which event which has already occurred. Okay. So that means in the denominator, we will always write the elements which are present in B. What we will write in the numerator, you have this event A, you have event B. So check here, you will select all those elements which are common to A and B. So if you will see here, triple H, is it common to this? No, because it do not have the tail at the first place. No, no. So the only common element is this one, THH. So that means here we are finding the intersection of these two, A intersection B. Okay. So this is our formula. Now, if you will divide this numerator and denominator, divide with number of elements present in the sample space. Okay. Now, you know that what is the probability? Probability is favorable by total, favorable by total. Now check here. This is your favorable, this is your total. So this means probability of A intersection B. In the denominator, you have probability of, in the denominator, you have probability of B. Okay. So this is your formula. P intersection PA by B means B has already occurred, and the formula is N A intersection B by NB. And next formula is this. So note down these two formulas. Now try to solve this question. Okay, Umair, if this is done, then please share the answer. No, Umair. First is not correct. Okay. Please again check it, Umair, and share your answer. Aman, you have again joined late. Okay. I already started this topic yesterday, and uh, I've just again revised it because for then Rifat was not present. So please join on time, Aman, because most of the time you miss the basic part. Okay, I will again explain this to you. Okay. Abdur, your exams are going on. Okay. Abdur, please join at the right. Okay, okay, Umair, I will do. Abdur, please don't be late because you miss the basic concept and then you will face issue. Okay, yesterday we have done the basics of probability. Okay, the topics which are already there in class 11th. We have just done the revision of that. And we have started this conditional probability. Okay, so basic, I hope you already know. Now I will explain this topic to you, which is from the class 12th. Okay. Now Aman and Abdul, please check here. Suppose we are tossing 3 coins. So this will be the sample space: triple H, HHT, HTH, THH, HTT, THT, TTH, and triple T. Okay, only 8 outcomes. Okay, now if A is the event of getting at least 2 hit, if A is the event of getting at least 2 hit, and B is the event of getting tail on the first coin. Okay, at least 2 hit means minimum there should be 2 hit. So what the outcomes we will write in A? Triple H, because 2 hits are there: HHT, HTH, and THH. Okay, then getting tail on the first coin. So B is what? THH, THT, TTH, and triple D. Is it clear? Uh, if Aman, Aman and Abdur, is it clear up to this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now PA. Okay. Probability of A. So yes, Umair, please wait. I will solve this question. Okay. P is equal to favorable R. One, you know the formula of probability, huh? The same one which we have done in class 10th and 11th. Probability is equal to favorable by total. So if you will see the event A, then outcomes, total outcomes in event A are 4, and in the sample space, total outcomes are 8, so 4 by 8. Okay, PB also 4 by 8 because the 4 outcomes are here. Okay, if I will write like this, PA by B. So this means if I will say to you that B has already occurred, if I will say to you that B has already occurred, so that means the first coin already have a tail. You are going to toss 3 coin, and if I will tell you that the first coin will always show a tail, then what you will do from your sample space, you will remove this because the first coin is not a tail. Similarly, you will remove this one. First is not a tail. Similarly, this one. Similarly, this one. This can't happen because I'm saying to you that the first coin will always show a tail. So I have given you this condition that the first coin is always show a tail. Then I will say to you, find the probability of A. So first thing which you will do is from the sample space, you will remove these events because this can't happen. Now you have 4 outcomes. This one. Okay. Now we will find the probability of A. Now probability of A will be what? Okay. So this can't occur. First coin is not a tail. This can't occur. This can't occur. So we will remove these outcomes also from the event A because these can't occur because the first coin will always show a tail. So remove these. You have this one only, THH. So your favorable is 1. Now, if you will see the total outcomes, here the total outcomes are 4. So 1 by 4. Is it clear? Aman and Abdul. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now we will now find out a formula. If you will see B and sample space, then sample space and B is same. Huh? Check here. And the B, you have all the outcomes where tail is on the first coin. And here we have already deleted this. Okay. So that means in the denominator, what we are writing? We are writing number of elements which are present inside B, in even B. Okay. What is mean by this? This means we are finding the probability of A. I will write here. Probability of A. Probability of A when B has already occurred. When B has already occurred. Okay. So this means we are finding the probability of A and B has already occurred. So this is equal to, in the denominator, we will write number of elements which are present in even B. Okay. Now in the numerator, what we will write, if you will see here, then what we are finding, we are actually finding the intersection of these two sets. Okay. I'm removing this. That means I'm finding the intersection of these two. So we can say that this is nothing. It is A intersection B. Okay. Now, if we will divide this A intersection B by number of elements present in the sample space, here also divide this with the number of elements present in the sample space. Okay. So this is equal to what? This is nothing. It is probability. What is probability? Favorable by total. Similarly, this is favorable. This is total. Here also probability of B. Okay. So this is the formula. A by B is equal to, either you can use this formula or this formula depending on the question. Okay. If the probability is given, use directly this. If number of elements are given, then use this formula. Okay. So I hope Aman and Abdul, this is clear to you. Now, please note down this formula. First one, yes. Who has solved this? Okay, Umair. Umair, great. Now it is correct. Very good. Okay. So note down this. Abdul and Aman, raise your hand. Then we will try this question. Question number 3. Okay. Yes, Umair. I'm going to solve this question. Okay. Just wait for 2 minutes. So Abdul and Ahmed, there's no need to write down this example. I hope this is clear to you. Just note down this formula. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, Abdul, great. Aman, is it done? Okay, great, great. Okay, now we will try this question. Uh, Okay. Two coins are tossed, one. Okay. Find E by F in each of the following. E is tail appear on at least one coin. At least one. Okay, at least one means uh, if if in any coin you will get one tail, so that's fine. If two tail, that is also fine. Okay, because only we are tossing two coins. So if you are getting one tail, that's okay. So these are the two possibility. And if you are getting two tail, this is also fine. Now, if one coin shows head, uh, yes, Abdur, that's correct. One, at least one means one or more than one. Okay. Next, F means one coin shows head. One coin shows head means HT or TH. Okay. Now we will try the, okay, this is the first one. Now, what they're saying to find P E by F. Okay. So this means what's the formula? N E intersection F by NF. Okay. Now, E intersection F. Find out the intersection of these two. So what you will get, you will see that 2 and in, okay, only these two are common, so 2. Next, in F, how many outcomes you have 2? So 2 by 2, this will give you 1. Is it clear? Abdur, Aman, Fahad, Rifat, uh, please raise your hands. This clear? Okay, Rifat, good. Abdur, okay, Aman, very good. Okay, yes, Abdur, that's correct. Okay, now the next one, second one. E is no tail appear. No tail appear means we have only this possibility. F is no head appear. Okay, so no head appear means only tail. Okay, again we need to find E by F. So it is equal to what? N E intersection F by NF. Now E intersection F. So anyone can tell me what is the how many values are common in E and F? Very good. Uh, okay, all are correct. Great, great. Okay, so all of you, you are correct. All have given the correct answer in this 0. Okay, and here you have 2. So this is equal to 0. The second is 0. Yes, that's correct, Omer. Final answer is 0. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Please note down this. Confirm me. Okay. Next, then we will start the next question. I will give you 1 minute for this only. Okay, because I need to start a new topic today. Please complete this one. Okay, Rifat, very good. Abdur Rahman, Fahad, and Umair. Please, Umair, you have already done. Okay, Abdur Rahman and Fahad, please confirm. Okay, Abdur, great. Aman, Fahad, good, Fahad. Aman, Aman, is it done? Good, good. Okay, now please try this question. Please complete this one and let me know if you have a doubt in this question. After this chapter, but it is not possible to complete the chapter. Okay, so we will have a doubt class. After this chapter, we will have a doubt class. So if you have any doubt in any of the chapter, you can discuss there. Okay. Very good, Rifat. It is correct. Very good. So please check here. Okay, so the question is the mother, father, and son line up at random for a family picture. Okay, so we will represent the mother by M, father by F, and son by S. So there's line up, they have line up for a run for a family picture. No, Emma, that's not correct. Okay, so now we will write all the possibilities. So they can arrange in this way, or they can arrange in this way, F M S, or they can arrange in this way, F S M. Okay, or I will write it like this. Father, son, then M, S F, then S F M, then S M F, then F M S, then F S M. Yes, Sumir, that's correct. Okay, so this is the complete sample space. Now, what is A? A is son on one end. Okay, and B is father in the middle. But now I hope Abdur, you can do this question. Now, please try this one and share your answer. Moment you are correct. Very good, Aman. It is correct. No, Abdur, that's not correct. And why you are getting two probability, Abdur? Please check here. A is son on one end. Okay, so we will check for there is no A and B, Abdur. We are finding conditional probability. Okay, we are finding probability of A when B has already occurred. There is no need to find the probability separately. Okay, this is the only single question. Now, sun on one end. So we will select this, we'll select this, we will select this, and there's one more. We will select this one. Okay, so MFS, then SFM, then SMF, then FMS. Okay. One more, Fat. You have missed one. Now B is further in the middle, so that means this one and this one. Okay, so it is uh, further in the middle. So no, sorry, further in the middle is this one, SFM, and this one, MFS. Okay, now A by B means any intersection B by NB. Okay, so it is equal to A intersection B. So find out the intersection. SFM, SFN. This, MFS, MFS. This one, and this one. So 2 by what is B? 2. This is equal to 1. Okay. So A by B is equal to 1. This is the final answer. Okay. So please raise your hands who has completed this. Then we will start the next question. Okay, Abdur. Good. Okay, Rifat. Very good. Okay, Fat. Aman. Is it done? Aman, is it done? Okay, okay. Okay, Omer, you have also done. Next one. Yes. I will give you just 2 minutes for this question. Okay. Please complete this and share your answer. For number of elements, and B means number of elements in set B. Okay. All of you, please tell me the answer one by one. What's the answer for the first one? Answer for the first one. Who can tell me? Abdur. What is the answer for the first? Rifat. What is the answer for the first one? No one? Anyone? Aman, Fahad, Umair. Answer for the first one? Oh, okay, okay, I'm waiting. Okay. Uh, Umair, there's no need for the example. Okay, we can do like this. A is a subset of B. And the first one they are saying A is a subset of B. Okay, so that means what is N? First thing we need to find B pi. So this is equal to N B intersection A by NA. Number of elements in set A. Very, very good, Rifat. That is correct. Very good. Second is also correct. Good. So A intersection B. Okay, Umair. This will be equal to what? Suppose A is equal to 1, 2, and they're saying that A is a subset of B. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So and A intersection B will be what? 1, comma 2. Okay. That means again, sorry, again set A. If A is a subset of B and you're finding the intersection, you will always get a A. Okay. Because A is smaller than B. Now, this is equal to what? Here they are saying A and B are two even. A is a subset of B. So this is equal to number of elements in A. Okay. And A. So this is equal to 1. Second is A intersection B is 5. So that means number of elements in A intersection B, this is equal to 0. Now this is equal to what? N B intersection A by N A. So this is equal to 0 by N A. So this will give you 0. Okay. I hope this is clear to everyone. Let me know if anyone have a doubt. Okay. Okay, Umair. So everyone, please raise your hands. Rifat, you have already done this. Rest of you, please raise your hands once it is done. Then we will start
Sir,
next. Yes.
in this second bit, why did we take a P with, sorry, probability of B with A?
Aman, will you please repeat?
Sir, in the second bit, why did we
Yes.
find the probability of B with respect to A?
Okay, because it is given in the question. Okay, here we need to find probability of B when A has already occurred. Clear, Aman?
Okay, sir.
Okay, great, great. A, yes, then the intersection is always A, Abdur. Okay, because A is smaller than B, so the common will be A only. Okay, Abdur, great. Aman, Fahad, Omir, please raise your hands if it is done so that we can start next question. Okay, we have to complete today conditional and need to start multiplication theorem. Okay, Aman, good. Who's left? Umir. Umir, is it done? Okay, great. Now, please try this question. Please tell me the answer one by one. Okay. If anyone get the first answer, please let me know. And if anyone have a problem in writing the sample space, then please let me know. First is very, very good, Rifat. That is correct. Very good. Okay, I will write the sample space for you if you have a problem. Both couple has two children. Find the probability both are boys if it is known that older one is a boy. Okay, so we will represent the older by one. So first child is older, so we will write B1. Very good, Rifat. That is also correct. Okay. Second is B2. Two is younger. Okay. One is older. Second one. First child is a boy and second is a girl. First child is a girl. Second is a boy. First is a girl. Second is girl and second is also girl. Okay. Now please solve this question and share your answer. Very good, Rifat. That is correct. Good. Uh, no, Aman, that's not correct. For now, is it clear? For now, is it clear? No. Okay. So a couple has two children. Okay. Okay. Please check here. A couple has two children. Find the probability both are boys. Older is a boy. So we know that they have two children. No, no, Mir, that's not correct. Please check the answer again. So a couple has two children. Okay. So one should be a older one, and second will be a younger one. Okay. As per the question, this is clear. Both are not of same age. Okay. So the older one we will represent that by number one because that is the first child and the younger by the two. Okay, so if I will write B1, so that means the first child is a boy. This is the first child. Then what will be the next? We can say that second is also boy. We will write all the possibilities. Okay, first is a boy, then second can be a girl, or first is a girl, second can be a boy, or first is a girl and second is also a girl. Okay, and probability is a tough chapter. Please do the homework. Okay, if you will miss any topic, if you will not do the homework, then you will face issue in the later stages. After first or second exercises, you will start facing the issue. So please complete the homework. So this is the sample space for. Now please try to solve the question. Oh, okay, Fad. Good. Very good, Abdur. It is correct. The first one I will write here, Umair. Find the probability that both the children are boys. So we will define A. A is both the children are boys. Okay, even that the both the children are boys. Okay, and B is older one is a boy. Older child is a older child is a boy. Okay, now we will find A and B. A is both the children are boys. That means B1 and B2. What is B? Older one is a boy. Older one means first one. First one is a boy. Second can be anything. So second can be B2, or first is B1. Second can be G2. Okay. Now find out the N A intersection B, Omer. So this is equal to what? Only one is common. So 1. And B is equal to what? It is 2. Okay. So this one. B, when B has already occurred, it is equal to N A intersection B by N B. So it is equal to 1 by 2. For second, yes, Abdur, that is correct. For second, answer is 1 by 2. Now, all of you, Rifat has already done, Abdur has done up to second. Good. Fahad, Umair, Aman, please share your answer. Very good, Aman. It is correct. You have also completed up to third. Very good. Okay, Aman, you have given the answer for third one. Great. Fahad, please share the answer. Abdur, please share the answer so that and Umair, so that we can start next question. Fahad, Umair, let me know if you have any doubt. Good, Umair, that's correct. Good. Now, who is left? Abdur and Fahad. Is it done? Okay, Abdur. Great. For the third one, it is 1 by 3, Abdur. Fahad, is it done? Uh, Fahad, which part you are doing? Okay. Any problem in the second part, Fahad? In finding B. Okay. Second one. Okay. So we are finding A by B. So that means B is already occurred. Now, A is what? Both the children are girls. So that means G1 and G2. What is B? If it is known, older one is a girl. Older means 1. Okay. So first one is girl. Second can be what? G2. First one is girl. Second can be B2. Now complete this word. Tell me what the answer you're getting. Good for. Now please try third one. Very good, Abdur. That's correct. Uh, okay. Fad, please let me know once it is done. Okay. Fad, is it done? Or you have a doubt in this? Very good, Fad. That's correct. Now, all of you, please try this question. Please tell me the answer one by one. Okay. And if anyone have a doubt, please let me know. Yes, Abdul, that's correct. If you are throwing a pair of die, total outcome will be 36. Okay, good. No, no, that's not correct. Please check here, Abdur. A pair of dice thrown. Okay, and if the two numbers appearing on them are different, so this is given. B's number are different. Yes, yes, Omer, that's given. Okay, Abdur, if we are finding A by B, then B is given. Very good, Aman, that's correct. Okay, so we will take B as two numbers 4 by 36. No, Abdur, that's not correct. Yes, Rifat, good. B, we will take two numbers appearing on the die, appearing on the die, on the die are different. Okay, it is given. This is given. So different means B can have value 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3 up to 1 comma 6. Okay, then 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2 we will not take, 2 comma 3 up to 2 comma 6, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 4 up to 3 comma 6. Then 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3. 4 4 we will not take, we will take 4 5 and 4 6. Only 5 by 30 for the first one? No, that's not correct. Next is 5 1, 5 2, 5 3. Second good. Third, no, third is not correct. Am even second is also not correct. You have, I think, interchanged the question. Okay, 5 1, 5. Rifat, second is, no, second is not correct. Third is, okay, okay. Let me complete this, okay? 5 3, 5 4, then 5 6. Next is 6 1, 6 2, and up to 6 5. Okay, 6 6 we will not take. So this is B. Now the first part is the number, the sum of the number is 6. So A is, sum of the number is 6. So that means A is 1 comma 5, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 2, 5 comma 1. Okay. Now, if you have to find A by B, B has already occurred. So it is NA intersection B by NB. Okay. So this is equal to A intersection B is what? Check. This is common. Yes. 1 comma 5 is here. 2 comma 4. Yes. 3 comma 3. No, we can't take this. It is not common with this. 4 comma 2. Yes. And this one. So 4. Total elements in B. Check here in the first line you have 5, 5, 5. So 5, 6, 30. So it is equal to 2 by 15. Okay. So who have a problem, please check this first one. And Rifat and Aman, I will check the next one. Next is the sum of the number is 4 or less. Sum is 4 or less than 4. So we will take 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Next is 2, 1, 2, 2. Next is 3, 1, 4 we can't take. Okay. So intersection is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 30. Okay. Okay. So you are getting the correct answer. Good, Rifat, that's correct. Aman, you are also correct. Sorry, that's fine. So this answer is 2 by 15. And this one, sum of the number is 4. So 4 means 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2, and 3 comma 1. So common is 2, 2 by 30, which is 1 by 15. Yes, Rifat, your answer is correct. Aman, your answer is also correct. Now, who's left? Abdur, Fahad, and Umair. Please tell me the rest of the answers. Okay, Abdur, you have completed. Abdur, please send me all the answers. Umair, Fahad, please send the answer. Umair's second is 2 by 15. 2 by 15. Very good, Abdur. It is correct. Who is left? Fahad. Fahad, will you tell me this answer? Okay, Fahad. Good. So I guess everyone has completed this. Umair, Umair, you have any doubt? Okay, Umair, please complete it and share your answer. Umair, the sum of the number is 4 or less. Okay, so can you tell me the events? Sum of the number is 4 or less. Oh, okay. Just give me a minute. So in 4 or less, you will take this 1, 1. Yes, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. Okay. Now find out the intersection with this B. So only this will not match. Okay. Because it is the same one with uh, 2 comma 2 will not match because in event B 2 comma 2 is not present. So favorable is 1, 2, 3, 4. We're doing here. Sum of the number is this. So we need to find the intersection. Okay, so it is 1, 2, 3, 1. Let me write it here. Sum of, okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 by 30. Clear, Umair? We will not include this one. We will not include this one. Umair, is it clear? Umair, is it clear? So, Umair, we are going to start next topic. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please let me know. Okay. So conditional probability is completed. On the basis of that, you have to do the first assignment. Okay. Assignments are already there on the group. And please do the homework. Next, your topic is multiplication theorem of probability. Okay. So what is multiplication theorem? This means probability of A when B has already occurred. Okay. Now you understood this one. What is the meaning of this? Probability of A when B has already occurred, and its formula is either you can select N or A or probability depending on the question. So the formula is this one, PB. Okay. You have two formulas. First is this, any intersection B by NB, or you have this formula, probability. Okay. Now, PA intersection B, this one. This will be what? Shift this to this side. So this will be PB into PA by B. Okay, so if we need to find the A intersection B, then we will use this formula, PB into PA by B. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? This means probability of A, probability of A and B. Okay, so if we have an AND, we will use the intersection. So this A intersection B means probability of A and B. Okay, now note down this. If you wish, you can note this also. This is the derivation of this formula, or we can say proof. Uh, Please raise your hands once it is done. Okay, Rifat, very good. Abdur, Aman, Fahad, Umair, please confirm if it is done. Okay, Aman, great. Abdur, Fahad, Umair. Okay, Abdur, good. Fahad and Umair, is it done? Okay, Fahad, good. Umair, shall we start next? Okay, great. Okay, before this, okay, I will give you a question. Question is, A bag contain, this is question first, okay? A bag contain 4 white and 6 red ball, 6 red ball. If one ball, if one ball is drawn at random, at random, find the probability, find the probability that it is white in color, white in color. Okay, everyone solve this question and send me the answer on the chat box. Second question is the same question. A bag contain, a bag contain 4 white and 6 red ball. 6 red balls. If one ball is drawn, one ball is drawn, one ball is drawn at random, at random, find the probability, find the probability. No, not one ball. If two balls, if two balls are drawn at random, find the probability that they are white in color. Okay, very simple question. Please solve this. I will give you 5 minutes for this. Solve both the questions and share your answer. Okay, Omer, okay. Abdul, is it done? Please share your answer on the chat box. Uh, Good, Umair, that's correct. All of you, please share the answer. Please send me the answer on the chat box. Good, Abdur. First one is correct. Second, what is the second answer? Aman, Fahd, Rifat, please tell me the answer. Okay, Umair, I will. Abdur, you have done the first one. Share the answer for second. Aman, Fahad, Rifat. Okay, and this is related to class 11th. Okay, this is a very basic concept. So I just need to check how many of you remember this and how many of you know the difference between these two questions. If anyone have a doubt, please reply me on the chat box. I will solve the question. Okay. Okay, Abdur. Okay. No, Fahad, that's not correct. Sample space was second. This is not related to conditional probability. Okay. There's a very basic question. So I just need to check how many of you remember this. This is not related to conditional. Will be one void trend. First is good, Rifat. First is correct. What is the second one? If anyone have a doubt in the second question, please reply me on the chat box. Okay, Rifat, let me check this. So into 8, 9, 45. No, Rifat, that's not correct. So I guess no one know the answer for the second one. Yes, Abdur, that's correct. But let me solve this one. In class 11th, you have done a chapter called combination, permutation and combination. No, Abdur, that's not correct. That's partially correct. So in class 11th, you have done a combination. Okay, so I hope everyone remember this formula. NCR, it is equal to n factorial by r factorial n minus r factorial. Okay, so what is NC? If you have total n objects and from this you are selecting r objects, then we will use this formula. NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial n minus r factorial. Okay, so always remember whenever you are selecting something, then we will use combination. Okay, now we will check the first one. First is a bag contain 4 white, and 6 red ball. 4 white and 6 red ball. Okay, 4 white and 6 red ball. Now, if one ball is drawn, find the probability that it is white. So we are drawing one ball and we need that this to be white. So what we will do, we will select this one white ball from the white ball. So probability will be equal to 4C1 by total balls are 10. So 10C1 we do like this. So whenever you are selecting something, then use this formula. Okay, 4C1 by 10C1. This we have already done in class 11th. Umir, please remember, if you are selecting something, if you have cards, you have a ball, if you are selecting number of balls in that, always use the formula of combination. NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay. For example, in the first question, you have 4 white and 6 red ball. You are selecting one ball. You need the white ball. So favorable will be what? White. So that means this one ball you will select from which? From the white ball. So this will be 4C1 by total balls are 10. So 10C1. We will solve this one. 4C1 by 10C1. Okay. So 4 factorial by r is 1 factorial. Then n minus r. N minus r means 4 minus 1 factorial. Denominator is 10 factorial by 1 factorial into 10 minus 1 factorial. It is equal to what? 4 factorial by 4 minus 1 is 3 factorial. It is 10 factorial by 1 factorial into 9 factorial. Okay, now solve this. 4 into this is 3 factorial. I hope everyone know how to solve this factorial. Now this is 10 into 9 factorial. This will get cancelled out. So you will get 4 by 10, which is equal to 2 by 5. Okay, but what happened whenever you are writing 4C1? So 4C1 is nothing. 4C1 is equal to 4. And 10C1 is nothing. 10C1 is equal to 10. If you will solve this 4C1, 10C1, you are getting this 4 and 10. That's why if you will write 4 by 10 directly, then it will not make any effect. So if you're selecting one ball, then it's fine if you are doing directly. If you're selecting one ball, it is fine. You can write like this only. Why did we choose 10C1? Because that's the total outcome. In how many ways one ball can be selected from 10? It is 10C1. What is your favorable? From the white ball, you are selecting one ball, so that is 4C1. Okay. So always remember, whenever you are selecting any ball, you have to use the formula of combination, NCR. Okay. Now, for this one, second, where I will do. Okay. Second one. A bag contains 4 white and 6 red ball if 2 balls are drawn at random. So probability will be equal to 4C2 by 10C2. Okay, 4C2 by 10C2. This is the answer for the second one. So always remember, whenever you are selecting any ball or cards or anything, use combination. Okay. If you are selecting only a one ball, then it's fine. You can do directly because 4C1 is also 4, 10C1 is also 10. So either you are writing 4 by 10 or you are writing 4C1 by 10C1. That will give you the same result. But if you're selecting ball more than one, then always use combination. Otherwise, your answer will not match. Okay. Now this, I guess you have already done. So I just need to revise this point. Now we will see our main topic. Multiplication theorem. Okay. Again, what was multiplication theorem? If we need to find P intersection B, then that will be equal to PB into PA by B. P intersection B is equal to PB into PA by B. What is P intersection B? Probability of A and B. Okay. Now we will see a question here. A bag contains 10 white and 15 black balls. 2 balls are drawn in succession without replacement. Okay. A bag have 10 white and 15 black balls. You are drawing 2 balls in succession without replacement. Without replacement means you have drawn one ball, you have removed that, then you have drawn another ball. Okay. What is the probability that the first is white and second is black? What is the probability that the first is white and second is black? So we will take the event A. First ball is white. Event that the first ball is white. Okay, I will write the complete statement. A is that the event that the first ball is white and B is even that the second ball is black. Okay. Now, who can tell me? Fahd. Fahd, in from this event A and B, which is the first one? Which is already occurred? Which is the first event? Or we can say which will occur first, Fahd. Fahd, from event B. Who is saying B? Who is saying B is the first one? B will occur first. Anyone who can tell me from the event A and B? Yes, A will occur first. Omer, please check here. Even that the first ball is white. There's a first ball. So first will occur first. Okay, so in this question, what we need to find? What is the probability that the first is white and second is black? So that means we need to find A intersection B. Okay, we have to find probability that the first is white and second is black. So whenever you have a AND, that means intersection. So we need this. Which one will occur first? A will occur first. We will first draw the first ball, then second one. When A has already occurred, then we will do the second one. Probability of A. Probability of A means even that the first ball is white. What is the probability that the first ball is white? Who can tell me? Fat. Fat. If you're drawing a ball from a bag, now here you're drawing first ball, okay? If you're drawing a ball from the bag, what is the probability that it is white? Fat. But if you're drawing a ball, what is the probability that it is white? Who can tell me, Rifat? What is the probability that the first is white? Uh, 10. Probability. Observe probability. Rifat, no, not correct. Anyone? Anyone? What is the probability of A? That means first ball is white. What is the probability? We need to select one ball. So one ball we will select from white. We need white. So this is 10C1 by, what is the total balls? 25. 25C1. Okay, and directly you can also say 10 by 15. 10 by 25. Favorable is 10, total is 25. So 10C1 by 25C1. This is clear. Please raise your hand if the first part is clear. 10C1 by 25C1. Okay, Rifat, good. Abdur, Aman, Fad, Umair, please raise your hand if this is clear. Okay, Abdur. Okay, Rifat. Aman, Fahad, Umair. Okay, Fahad. Umair, please check here. PA means that the first ball is white. You have 10 balls and 15 black balls. From this, you are drawing a single ball, and this should be white. So that means this one ball we will select from the 10 balls. So 10C1, okay, by total is 25. So 25C1. Clear, Umair? Okay. Next, B by A. B by A means A has already occurred. So from this 10 white and 15 black, you have already drawn one white ball. So how many white ball will be remaining now? 9. 9 white and black is 15. Now the total balls which are left is 24, not 25. because we have already drawn one ball. Please read the question. They are saying without replacement. Without replacement means you have drawn one ball and you have thrown that. Okay. So now the remaining balls are 9 and 15. Even that the second ball is black. Who can tell me? Uh, Abdur. Abdur, please tell me. Uh, B by A. B by A means we are finding the probability of B when A has already occurred. A has already occurred means we have removed that white ball. Now the ball left are this. You need to find the probability that the probability. Why are we using which formula, Umair? We are finding Abdur PB by A. Just give me some time, Umair. I will again explain this. B by A. Okay, A has already occurred, so that means one ball is already removed. We get a 9 and 15. So Abdur, what is the answer? 15C2. Yes, numerator is 15C2. Why C2? There are two balls first. Okay, first we have already drawn. Now the second ball is drawn, but the number of ball is one. Okay, we have to draw two balls. One is already drawn. Very 15C1. This is correct. Good, Abdur. It is correct. Abdur, now total ball left are 25 or 24. 24. So 20. Very good. 24C1. Okay. If you will solve this, I am doing directly. If you will solve this 10C1, you will get a 10. If you will solve 25C1, you will get a 25 into 15 by 24. Okay, you can solve this by the same method, that factorial. You will get this result: 5, 3, 5, 5, 2, 5, 2, 12, 3, 4. So this is 5 by 20. So this can be cancelled out 1 by 4. Okay, so please note down this, raise your hands once it is done, then I will give you the next question. Okay, Umair, your doubt is why we are using multiplication theorem. So we need to find the intersection, Umair. Okay, so whenever you have to find the intersection in a question, use the multiplication theorem. Okay, until and unless that is a question of union and by some other method. If you have to find the intersection, then we have only this formula, multiplication theorem. Now all of you note down this, raise your hand, then I will give you another question. Everyone, please raise your hands if it is done. Okay, Abdul, good. Aman, Fahad, Umair, Rifat, is it done? Okay, Rifat, good. Aman, Fahad, Umair. Okay, Aman, Fahad and Umair. Okay, Umair, is it done? Okay. Uh, Please try this question. Okay. About the cards, I will again tell you. Okay, okay. Sorry. In your batch, we have not discussed about the cards. So total cards we have 52. Okay. And there are four types of cards: diamond, okay, then heart, then spade, and club. We have these four types of cards. Okay. Diamond shape is like this. Heart is this one, like this. Spade is like this. Club is like this one. Okay. I will write here. This is club. Okay. These two are red cards. These two are red cards. These are red, and these two are black. These two are black. Diamond are 13, heart are 13, spade are 13, and club are 13. Okay. Then in each card, we have ace, ace, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we have jack, we have queen, we have a king. In each type, you will get this. So in heart also, you have a, then 2, up to then 10. Then you have jack, you have a queen, you have a king. Similarly, in spade, ace, in club also, you have ace, and so on, in the same way. Okay. So you have 13, 13. All these cards are 13, 13, 13, and 13. So total cards are 52. Each type of 13. Face card are what? Jack, queen, king. These are face card. So three face card are in diamond, three face card are in heart, three are in spade, and three are in club. So if you will do the total of this is 12. Okay. Now please try this question and share your answer. Let me know if anyone have a doubt in this question. If anyone have a doubt, please let me know. Okay. No, that's not correct. Okay, I will help you in this question. So the question is find the probability of drawing a diamond card in each of the two consecutive draws. Okay, so that means you are drawing the cards 2 times without replacement. Check here. Always note this word. Okay, not replace. So that means what you're doing. If you will see this 52, then this 50 in from this 52, you have 13 cards which are of diamond. These are diamond card. Rest are how much? 39. 39. These are other cards. Okay. So A is, we will say event that the first card is of diamond. First card. B event that the second card that the second card is of diamond is of diamond. Okay. Now what we need to find again P intersection B. So you need to check which will be done first. Okay, Rifat, I will check. So for the first is this one. So this will occur first. Okay. After that, yes, this is the last question of today's class, Umair. So PA, okay, into P of B when A has already occurred. So as per the event, you need to decide which event will occur first. Now PA is that the first card is of diamond. Now diamond is 13. Okay, so from the 13, we are selecting one card and here 52 C1 into. Now, if you will draw one card that is a diamond, you will remove that, then remaining diamonds are 12. So total cards will be 51. Now second should also be a diamond. So total diamonds are 12 now because one we have already removed. So 12 C1 by 51 C1. Okay, now you have to solve this one. So this is 13 by 52 into 12 by 51. This is your answer. You need to do the calculation now. Okay. Okay. So someone has given me answer. Okay. So 13 1, 13 4, 4 1, 4 3. Okay. Cancel out this 1, 13. For, sorry, 17. Okay, that's correct. Your answer is correct. Okay. So this is the last question of today's class. Note down the homework. Homework is assignment 1. It is already there in the group, and assignment 2. You have to do all these two assignments. And okay, Rifat, very good. And this is a tough chapter. Please do the homework, otherwise rest of the topics you will not be able to understand. Okay, because in the further topics we have to use the concept of conditional probability. Next, we have to do Bayes theorem, law of total probability, where I need all these concepts. So please complete the homework, and whatever the doubts you have, please discuss with me on next Saturday. Okay. So if anyone have a doubt, please stay here. How many exercises for including miscellaneous? We have 5 exercises. Okay, this is the second one, multiplication theorem.